Hi everyone. Today I would like to be talking about our GRG Banking Smart Teller Machine and Payment Kiosk Solution. Before I start my presentation, let me introduce myself first. I'm Kelvin from GRG Equipment Singapore. Next, I will begin with introduce our company GRG Banking. Our headquarters, GRG Banking, based in Guangzhou. GRG Banking is a public listed enterprise in China and top provider in financial service industry. We are aims to become a leading AI solution provider in the world with its innovative technologies and solutions. GRG Banking is also engaged in R&D center, manufacturing, sales and service, and software development. And our GRG products and solutions are widely used in over 80 countries with over 170 machines providing reliability, security, and convenience to over 10 million people in the world. I believe most of us are familiar with DBS. They have officially launched their VTM over whole Singapore island-wide and successfully, and now we have total of 70 VTM machines being deployed in production. Before I go into details, let me show you a short video about our video teller machine installed in one of the DBS branch and how interesting it is.
Lost your debit card and need a new one on the spot? Well, visit any or DBS video teller machines to get yours instantly. Remember to bring your IC, passport, or ATM card for verification. Video teller machines are the newest wave in technology, easy to use and available 24/7.
Thank you for watching. Let's start to introduce you the smart teller machine. We will propose this machine model because of the compact size and it is smaller than the video teller machine VTM. We have a solution that integrates the various counter service to self-service machine. It can be adapted for social service agency where the machine can be placed in a room in community centers for more privacy or at HDB windups. There are three selling points about the machine. First, efficiency. It improves the efficiency of procedure typically done at the center. So most of the transactions can be automated and can help to save time. Second is user-friendly. It is user-friendly for ideal customer experience, and even non-tech-savvy person will also know how to use it. Lastly, the economical. It can reduce the cost for expansion and branch operation. Now, let me show you the SDN hardware spec. This is the machine overview and all the modules being used on smart teller machine. Different hardware cater for different requirements, such as the document scanner and barcode scanner for the employment system to be integrated, and contactless card reader and fingerprint scanner is for staff verification purpose. I believe some of the transactions may need higher authorization to proceed to the next step. And most importantly, this machine can be customizable according to your request. Now I will elaborate more about the STM functionalities. So VTMC is the application installed on the machine for the client usage. So it can allow the video communication. So it creates the interaction between clients and also the video agent. They also provide the social service and consulting. The registration can be done in the machine as well. So for this help button, so if the client facing some issue using the machine, you can actually press the help button for the assistance. So the machine also can provide this statement as a security. We also have the IC reader for ID verification. However, we also can put some promotional screen like the digital announcement on events and activities. Most of the form can be digitized. and we can copy it into the e-form. VTMA is the backend system for video agent, which is social worker. So we can also allow the video communication, and all the chats and conversation are logged for checking purpose. We also can allow you to do the screen sharing, ID verification. You can even capture the screen and allow the remote monitoring. And here are the case studies that we implemented successfully in AIA Hong Kong. So we will give this case as a reference because this is service-oriented company and have more similar case to yours. As usual, all the feature being used is actually same as the previous slide, but due to their business model, they require us to integrate this function such as the query, policy contents, claim procedure, and guidelines. So the machine also able to submit the claim application. Some other features is actually same as the previous slide. Now we'll move on this slide. This page is actually the VTM agents backend system for the video agent such as social worker, which means the platform that every social worker can build at their end. So on the top bar, you can see the display of login person and the agent status. It will show the queuing condition as well. The bar at the right hand side is the procedure to indicate the flow of the transaction. And the screen here is to display the client info. Whoever call in via the machine, the client info will be displayed over this machine. Then next to this, the call browsing. The call browsing screen allows the video agent or social worker to monitor the screen on the machine itself. And from here, he can offer the remote control assistant. The system was also smart enough to give a reminder for the suggested conversation to agent. So from here, you can see the status format. And this is the video section. It's for the real-time communication screen display. Last part is the machine and device status for monitoring safe purpose. So if the agent and social worker found something wrong on the device or the machine, so they can report the issue to our support engineer after the call. This is the example of call browsing effect. So this is a call browsing screen on the machine. So the agent side, they can actually see the screen. That's the VTMA here to view what current screen is on the machine at the moment. So now I would like to tell you more about the benefit of using our step parallel machine. So GRG concentrate on the development of technology innovation and pay high attention on the new technology. So this advanced technology solution can help to reduce the maintenance cost and manpower, since most transaction can be automated and also manpower. Second, it can improve the productivity. Now client can do the transaction with self-service by using the machine. The social worker can assign and focus on the others meaningful tasks instead of tedious process. Expander network and availability. Client and agent can even more accessible now at anywhere, anytime. Improve documentation. All the chat and conversation can be logged and recorded for the tracking purpose. All the data can be saved in the database. Improve customer relationship. Most self-service kiosks are robotics and less interaction. And now we introduce this video solution to allow us to talk to clients face-to-face via video conference. And next, we will enhance one-stop service. Machine combine all available services and convenient for the public usage. And the last point, is reliable security. From window-based to application layer, our GRG do have the complete security solution to ensure all the data is protected and secure. However, STM playing the important roles to help on cost saving. We can integrate existing human resources to provide the standardized services to every customer. Even can expand the network and provide the 24 hours tele service to your client. So we can integrate the resources into this multi-party conference. So by using this video solution, social workers can access from their computers at their own office anytime. GRG machine also provide you the quality and security guarantee. Our product have gone through the stress test and quality control. All the quality assurance and ensure all our product perform the inspection at the manufacturing facility before the delivery. We have also done the establishment of software data protection and PDPA compliance. As a reference, like DBS Bank, the Banking Secrecy Act compliance. As we know that bank is always most strictly on security and compliance according to MAS regulation and guidance. So our machine have regular updates for this Microsoft security patches as per release and to ensure our product protected from cyber attack. And these are the example of cost saving after we implemented the STM in some other overseas project. So for teller and agent portion, we have saved up to 60% in total cost. For money vendor, we have saved 40% in the both. An average cost per transaction, we have saved about 65% in total. So this one-stop solution will definitely meet the purpose of providing social service. Lastly, thank you for listening to this presentation. We hope we will have the opportunity to work with you and the society. So thank you very much.